In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my PayPal username. If you've ever needed to share your PayPal details with someone or connect PayPal to an app or service, you've probably been asked for your PayPal username and not been completely sure where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the PayPal website so you can quickly and confidently locate it. First, you'll want to open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the official PayPal website. In the address bar, type in the PayPal web address, then sign into your account with your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you should land on your PayPal dashboard. This is the main summary page where you can see your balance, recent activity, and any linked bank accounts or cards. From here, to get to your username, we're going to head into your account settings. Look toward the top right-hand corner of the page. You should see a small gear icon, usually next to the logout option. This gear icon represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Clicking the gear will open your account settings page. This is where you can view and update information like your name, email addresses, phone numbers, and security options. PayPal may occasionally refresh or update how this page looks, but the layout is usually quite straightforward, with your main profile information at the top. On this settings page, focus on the profile section. You'll see your profile photo or a placeholder image if you haven't uploaded one. Directly below that image, you'll find your key account details, and this is where your PayPal username will be displayed. It's typically shown clearly, near your name, and sometimes near your primary email address. Take a moment to confirm that you recognize this information, and if needed, write your username down in a secure place or save it in a password manager. Avoid sharing your username in public forums or with people you don't trust, especially together with other account details. And that's it. By going to your dashboard, opening the settings with the gear icon in the top right, and looking in the profile section beneath your profile